Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 12th February 2025. Political news. India maintains ban on Chinese investments. Chief Economic Advisor V. Anantha Nageshwaran has indicated that India is unlikely to lift its ban on Chinese investments in the near future. He emphasized the importance of mutual dependence and benefits between the two nations but noted that immediate policy changes are not anticipated. This stance follows the 2020 border clashes in the Himalayas, which have led to cautious economic relations. India is currently addressing a significant trade deficit with China, estimated between $93 billion and $95 billion, with ongoing discussions to mitigate this imbalance. Chhattisgarh conducts municipal elections. On 11th February 2025, Chhattisgarh held elections for various local bodies, including 10 municipal corporations, 49 Nagar Palikas, and 114 Nagar Panchayats. The counting of votes is scheduled for 15th February 2025. In Raipur, the mayoral seat has been reserved for women, with Meenal Chaubey representing the Bharatiya Janata Party and Deepti Pramod Dubey from the Indian National Congress contesting for the position. Sports news. England aims to avoid ODI series whitewash against India. England is set to face India in the final one-day international ODI at the Narendra Modi Stadium in Ahmedabad on Wednesday, 12th February. Trailing 2-0 in the series, England seeks to prevent a series whitewash. The match is scheduled to begin at 8 a.m. UK time. England's squad has seen a change due to Jacob Bethel's injury, with Tom Banton joining the team. India may rotate their squad to provide opportunities for other players. Despite recent setbacks, England's captain Jos Buttler remains optimistic, acknowledging the team's progress and crediting Rohit Sharma's excellent century in the previous game. Ben Duckett focuses on Champions Trophy success. England's Ben Duckett has expressed that he is not overly concerned about the current series loss to India, emphasizing the importance of the upcoming Champions Trophy. He stated that securing a victory against India in the Champions Trophy final would outweigh the disappointment of the series defeat. Duckett highlighted the team's aggressive playing strategy, supported by head coach Brendan McCullum, which focuses on applying pressure on opponents. He believes maintaining this approach will be crucial for success in the tournament. The series will conclude with one more ODI match in Ahmedabad before England's Champions Trophy campaign begins against Australia on 22nd February. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates and have a wonderful day ahead.